create, and use the form tool to create the new form. So you're just gonna put form. So now we just created an employees form, and we're gonna change the title over here. Instead of employee, we want it to be view employee. Once you've got that, we want to delete the order subform. So if you scroll down, you see this order subform over here. This is a subform. We want to highlight it. So you're just going to click it. You see this little marker right here with the 4 arrows. We're going to click that and just hit delete on your keyboard to delete that order subform. The same place. Anybody need issues with the subform? I'll come around and click it. Click the 4 arrows. Anybody need help? Mine just like stacked out. Once you've deleted the subform, it says change allow edits, allow additions, and allow deletion settings to no. So we're gonna get to this by clicking property sheet over here. So the selection type should be form, and if you go to the data tab right here, data, we're gonna change all this to no. So from allow additions, we want it to be no, allow deletions to be no, and allow edits to be no. Those three should be no. Everyone got that? Now we're gonna view this in form view. So right click form view and save the form as view employees. View employees and then close the form. So now we're going to create a new table in table design. This is going to be a table that we're going to be going to or referencing in a form, so we can use it for a drop down. So we're going to create a new table using table design over here, table design, and the name of the first field is country, and it should be short text, and you want to set country as the primary key. After you've done that, you just go to data sheet view. It says you must first save the table, and you save it as country. And then hit OK. So the two countries that we're adding in is UK and USA. Those are the two countries we should have, UK and USA for the countries. Everyone got that? UK and USA should be added in that order, and then you close the table. Once you close the table, we can move on to step 5. We're going to open the update employees form in design view. So over here, the update employees form, we're going to open it in design view and change the country field to combo box. So you see the country field right here, not the label. So this is the label and this is the field. So we're going to click the field, right click it, and like the third thing down, it says change to. You want to change to combo box. Everyone got that? Once you change it to combo box, over here in the property sheet, if you see the row source, we want to change the row source to countries, that table that we just created. And it's a limit to list should be yes. After you've done that, we're gonna fix the tab order so that postal code field comes immediately before the country field. So tab order is right next to property sheet up here, and you click that. So if you look next to postal code, you're trying to get this arrow. Once you get this arrow, you're gonna hold the click, and then, you're just gonna click it first, highlight it, and then hold the click and move it before country. So postal code should be before country. And let me know if you have an issue with that. You're gonna hold the click for postal code and move it before country. Anybody have an issue with that? Yeah. Make sure you have arrow. Anybody have an issue with that? Once you've moved postal code before country, is it okay? And then it says save and close the form. So right click save and then close the form. So now we're going to open the view employees form in design view. So right here, the view employees form, right click design view. So we're adding a new label control on the left side of the form footer. So if you scroll down, you see the form footer section is grayed out, but you need to make space for yourself so you can add this form footer in. So we're gonna look for this marker and just drag it down so you have space. It doesn't matter how big the space is. Once you have that space, it says insert, displays the text. So you want to insert a text box. So you're gonna scroll up here and find the text box in the controls, and then you're just gonna make a text box up here right here. No, sorry. No, just hit that. It's not text box. My bad. You can hit undo and take the text label. Sorry, new label control. I'm sorry. It's a label control. So if you scroll up here and find label, so this one with the capital A and the lowercase a. On the left corner, you just make a box of label control. Everyone got that part? So once you have that label control in, we're typing that text in. Personal information is considered. You can just copy and paste it into. Personal information is considered private. That should be shredded after you. Going in the new label control that you placed in the form folder. Everyone got that in? Does anybody need a minute? Once you've done that, you can click outside of that label box and then click back on that label box just so it's highlighted. We're going to go to format. We're going to change the font color. So over here you see the A with the font color symbol. You want it to be black text 1. and bolded, so we're gonna click that B to bold it. Black text one bolded. The black text one is here, and the font color is first black text one theme color, and then the capital B to bold it. Once you've done that, it says save and close the form. So right click save, right click close. Now we're creating a new report using the report wizard. So we're going to go to the create tab and report wizard. So this pop-up box should appear. And it's saying select the first name. So we're clicking first name, last name, the hire date, and home phone in that order. So you should have 4 fields added in as your selected fields. So it's first name, last name, hire date, and home phone. Once you have those 4 in, hit next. Oh no, actually it says after you've added it, accept all other default options. So you just keep hitting next, keep hitting next, keep hitting next. And the report's name is going to be employees, and then hit finish. So this new report should appear. And then it says switch to layout view, so you're going to right click this and switch to layout view. So it says add a grouping by reports to fields. So over here in the grouping and total section, over here in the left corner, you're going to see group and sort, and you're going to click that. So we're adding a group, so add group, and we're going to scroll down and find reports to. Now we're going to switch to design view, so right click over here. Sorry? Reports to, group by the reports to field. Once you've done that, we're going to switch to design view. Once you've done that, it says switch the option to with a footer section. So you see, you hit the more option over here. You see the without footer section. You want it to be with a footer section. And display the count of first name field. So over here, instead of with no total, we want it to be by first name, the count values first name, with this checkbox, show subtotal and group footer. So it is getting the count values for the first name, which is going to show up in a group footer. Once you've added that in, it says, so you can see it's added in with the group footer right here. So reports to footer has been added in there if you scroll down. And now again, so we're going to go to the reports to footer. So this is the reports to footer. You see the name of it right here. We want to make space, so we're going to get this marker and make some space. So you have space underneath that reports to footer, and you can see that count first name function that we created is already inputted in there. And then we want to insert a page break. So to insert a page break, you go to Design tab. Page break is this symbol in the controls section. So page break, you just click that page break, and you're just going to click it right under that little function that we created, and then it should just appear as this orange symbol, and that's your page break. Anybody have an issue getting that page break? Once you've done that, you can scroll a little up, scroll back up to see these home, phone, label, and text box. Once you see those two, we're just gonna change the width of them. So instead, we're just gonna put them to the 6-inch marker. So both of these, just move it to the 6-inch marker. Once you move them to the 6-inch marker on the horizontal ruler, you want to ensure the label width is as close as 1.08 inches as possible. So if you look at this label, like if you just click on this label and go to format, you can see the width is like close to 1.08, and you're fine with that, so it's good. Step 11, add a new text box. Wait, give me 1 second. So she designed you with quarter section, you did that. Design. Page break, is this one? What's over there? That's it, on the side of the okay. 6 inches. The width. This one. No. The width. The width like this. That's the width. And now you cut off. After you change the width to 6 inches, we're gonna add a new it says add a new text box control. So over here you see up top the controls. We're gonna click this text box one, just the second one right here. And you're just gonna click it right next to the home phone text box, right here. So it should appear like that. Once that's there, we're gonna go to arrange and change it to tabular. So it's like it gets lined up and down. And change the label of the field to years employed. So instead of text 15 or whatever text you have, change that to years employed. And after you've done that, we're going to add a new formula. Add a formula in the text box to calculate the number of years, not days, since the employee's hire date, assuming the current date is 12/31/2018. Format the field as standard and with 1 decimal place. For the formulas over here, I'm just going to copy and paste into mine. For that formula, we're pasting in there. That's going to be the formula that goes in the text box over here. It's right here. So type that in the inbound. Instead of inbound, you're going to put this formula in. Once you've typed that in, So make sure that's clicked in. Like make sure you're clicking into that formula that you have, the text box. And we're changing the format to standard over here in the property sheet. With decimal places instead of auto, we want it to be 1, so you just drop down and put 1. And then you save and close the report, and after you save and close and submit, you're good to go. And if you're having issues with anything, I'll come around and help you guys. Huh? Oh yeah, decimal place to 1. Anybody still need the formula? I'll just keep it up here if you need it. Make sure it's like that. Make sure you have the brown tape and the